Hi friends, I am Saran from Vajratech. Many Instagram users is not getting any swipe reply button. Actually, this is not an error. It is just we need to do some setup. I'm already checked in YouTube. There are a lot of videos are available, but all YouTubers are showing that there is a error in Instagram app, and all YouTubers are saying that we need to report in help center as my Instagram account is not working, or we can't send a swipe reply. So actually this is wrong. It's a basic feature. We need to activate this swipe up reply feature. So in this video I will show you how to enable or activate this swipe up reply feature in Instagram, and I will show you the step by step guide in this video. First of all, you need to click on this messenger, then select any user. Now here I am trying to swipe, but it's not working, and I am pressing this my message. It will showing report, chat, text or like. There is only these three options is available in this chat section. First step, we need to update our Instagram. First search for Instagram in your Play Store. Just search for Instagram. Then if my app is already updated, if your app is not updated, please update your Instagram app. Step 1 is completed now. Then let's check the second step. So you need to also update your Messenger app. First go to Play Store, then search for Messenger. Then update your Messenger app. It will take few seconds. If you are new in our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and please enable bell icon. Then only you will get all notification from our YouTube channel. Now you can see the Messenger app is updated. Just go back and let's check our swipe up option is available or not. Then close your Instagram, then open once again. Then let's check the Instagram swipe reply option is available or not. Let's check. Now I am trying to swipe this message, but it's not working. I am trying to press this message, I am getting the same notification. So the second step is now not working also, but you need to follow these two steps for completing our this process. Now go to the third step. Just click on home icon, then click on right side corner menu icon. Then you can see there is a update messaging option. Just click on this update messaging. Now there is a pop-up will open. Then now is your Messenger app and Instagram will be connected. Just click on update, then click on continue. Sometime you need to log in your Facebook account in this section. Now just click on continue. Just click on add your account name. Now I am clicking to connect my Instagram account and Facebook account. Now you can see my Instagram account and Facebook account is now connected. Okay friends, let's check the messaging swipe reply is working or not. Now opening my chat, I am now swiping this message. Now you can see the swipe reply button option is available. I can reply by swiping this message, and you can also send like emoji icons by clicking these messages. I will show you. Just press on this message. If you swipe any message, you can reply this message. Otherwise, you can tap and hold on any message. You can react any messages. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and please enable bell icon. Thanks for watching.